Hey again, welcome back. Mr.Weeks here. Today we're talking about two-step inequalities. These are just like the two-step equations, except now we just need to graph them on our number line. So, here we go. Let's grab our pen, start with our t-charts. So we got 2x minus 5 is less than 13. First thing we need to do, get rid of that minus 5. How do we get rid of it? We add 5. Bam, just like that. So left with 2x less than 13 plus 5 gives me 18. Switch colors, just to keep it in line. Now we've got 2x. How do we undo 2 times x? Well, we're going to divide by 2. Both sides. Bam. X is now less than 9. Slap it on our graph. Put a hash in the middle. The number we care about. Circle it. Open or close. We got to make sure it's open because it is not equal to. That does not make a true statement. If we plug 9 in, 9 is not less than 9. So, let's plug a different number in. What if we said 0? Is 0 less than 9? That is a true statement, so we want to head towards 0. So we want to head to the left. So that's it for that one. Pretty straightforward stuff. Right. And again, if you need a refresher on inequalities, go back and watch the one-step inequality video. It'll be a good thing, especially if you're struggling. Alright, next one. T-chart. Started off the same way. Alright, so we have negative 7 minus x less than or equal to 5. So we're going to start by adding 7. So we're left with negative x is less than or equal to 12. Here's the thing. Do not lose this negative. You have to bring it down. So many times, that's people's biggest problem. Lose the negative. You can't do it. Bring it down. Show it the love. Alright. Some people might say, oh, well, we're done. We have negative x is equal to 12. Or, sorry, less than or equal to 12. It's good enough. It's not good enough. We need to make sure we have a positive x. So, in order to do that, we're going to multiply by negative 1. Because a negative times a negative is a positive. If we multiply anything by 1, it doesn't change. So we're left with x on the bottom. And we end up with negative 12 over here. But if you remember, if we multiply or divide by a negative, our inequality symbol flips. So instead of less than or equal to, it's going to be a greater than or equal to. And last but not least, we got to slap it on our graph. So mark the point, negative 12. Put our circle. This time it is closed because it is also equal to. We have greater than or equal to. And I'm not going to grab the highlighter this time, just for the sake of time. So plug in a number. I always like to plug in 0. Is 0 greater than or equal to negative 12? It is greater. So we need to head towards 0. Alright. Bam, just like that. Alright, last one. Here we go. And apparently, somehow I skipped slide. Well, we're going to time out, rewind, back the truck up. Hey, day now, come on. Ah, there it is. Alright, here we go. Take 2. So we've got x divided by 4 plus 1 is greater than or equal to 7. So, start it off. T-chart, subtract 1, you know the drill. So we've got x over 4 is greater than or equal to 6. Switch our color. In order to undo division, we need to multiply. So we're going to multiply by 4. Both sides. We end up with x is greater than or equal to 24. Number line, hash mark, the number we care about, open circle, or closed circle. Well, if you said closed circle, you are correct, because it is also equal to, so we have to include our point. And now we just plug in a number. How about 0? 0 is my favorite. Let's do it. Is 0 greater than or equal to 24? That is a false statement. Since it is a false statement, we don't want to go towards 0. We want to go away from 0. So we're going to go to the right. Alright. So that's pretty much it for our two-step inequalities. A couple examples for you. If you need help, check your notes, ask a friend, and as always, if you still can't figure it out, come talk to me, Mr. Weeks. Have a good day.